You guys, so right here we have the Loklik IPaint. I'm so excited. As you see my babies in the background, you guys, I have 3 kids, so 3 kids in total, and I love to do activities with them, so I think this is going to be so cool. So if I'm not mistaken, you could basically make your own canvas, so I think this is going to be awesome. Make my own canvas and have my kids paint it at home is something that's going to be cool. So we have the Loklik. Definitely if they draw it on the iPad and like print it out. Let's see what we got in here. So it's like a simple build. It comes with acrylic paint, 48 colors. You get masking tape, silicone pen grip, user guide, heat erasable pens, acrylic paint brushes, gel pens, canvas, USB cable, power adapter, Y-ax slider, connector screw, and a screw lid with a Phillips screwdriver. I am very excited for this, you guys. I hope you can see it. Y'all, he's just in the background. He's eating something. Y'all probably just gonna hear him make noise throughout the whole entire time. For some reason, now that he's in his little walker, he wanna go everywhere I go at. Like everywhere. Like he's with me 24/7. All right, so we have the Loklik acrylic paint that comes with it. This is gonna be so fun. My kids are gonna enjoy this, you guys. Y'all, he's eating something. Now he want me to give him another one. Yes, you want another one? There you go. He loves these little treats. Okay, so we have the chorus right here. Like, if you are a mom, listen, definitely because the moms, we be moms and we be crafting from home. I just feel like this is for us. Like, we can make projects for people who sell a little canvas and have them painted. Definitely like a mommy daddy date. And even not, you can do this at home with your kids, and you can also sell this to people. So this is the, I think X or Y axis is it. And it has a USB scan, like a USB code at the top to scan it. So it's kind of cool. I'm very excited to try this out, you guys. So I'm supposed to rearrange my whole entire office later on today. We got some masking tape. And I know y'all look like, why you got a button on today, y'all? I got a button on. We got a canvas. How many rows is this? This don't look like too much, so we're gonna test this out. I got a bun on today. I just got my hair done the other day, y'all. But it's so tight that I don't want to even take it out. We have the paint brushes, so you can paint at home by yourselves. So I am very excited. We have the pens. You have 3 pens, look like black, blue, and blue. So 3 little pens. You have the other bar. Very simple packaging. I love that. Nothing's like, you know, nothing too much. You got a power on, pause button right here. Really simple. I hope it's easy to set up. Let's see if we can find the instructions to set it up. Screwdriver and 1 screw. All right, that is it. So let's go ahead and look inside the book and get the instructions, and let's go ahead and set this up together, you guys. So this is like, my other kids are taking a nap right now. Y'all, he's gonna play music right now. The other ones are taking a nap at the moment, so he's in here with me at the moment. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and set this up. It looked like a very easy setup. Oh my God, what did I just say? Easy setup, easy setup, you guys. So you just have like 2 pieces and you have 1 screw, and that is literally completely it. So this go at the bottom, because that's where it sits at. And then this, I'm gonna turn it this way so y'all can see. So I forgot which axle is this. This goes at the bottom, and then you're gonna lay this on top. Make sure you are connecting it with these cords at the bottom. And then you just will place it on after that. Boom, snap in place. And from there, take the screw and the little screwdriver. It's so small. And you want to just screw it in, just to make sure everything stays together. This is actually one of the easiest setups ever. Like, oh my gosh, like this literally is probably the easiest setup I ever have done for just anything, you guys. This was like so easy to set it up. Yeah, the baby's still in here if y'all want the he's making noise in the background. This is literally the easiest setup ever. Like, oh my gosh. There you go. He literally just loved them little treats. All right. So you can also cover it up. I'm going to leave it uncovered just because I want to make sure we do this right. Go ahead and bring this back some. Have my laptop so we could connect it. I believe we got to take this tape off. And on the side is where you will attach your pencil, pen, you know, things like that. So in my mind, I think you have to use the pen. The pen is going to draw the picture for you. My idea. So I'm going to use the black pen. Do I just pop that in? That don't look like that go that way. Like, is it okay? Just the cap for it? Okay, that, so it comes with a little clear cap. And then from there, we insert the pen. Ow, Juwan. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything together, you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and do a test run. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the pen in. Ooh. Pull the silicone down some. Y'all, he done went out there now. And oh my gosh, y'all, he gonna wake the whole house up. Like, he is about to wake the whole house. So I'm kind of just going based off of my table length. So I'm putting it in. And I'm just adjusting the pen to it. To see how far down it needs to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and lock it in. I'm just using any color pen, to be honest. So, power on. So it's powered on, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and now take the USB. And I'm going to plug it in from the back. And from there, I'm going to connect it to my laptop. You are able to also use an app on your phone. I love that they're coming out with these apps that you can use instead. So I'm going to connect it to the laptop. File, well, not file, because I have to actually connect the machine. So now I have to actually look for the machine and connect the machine. So let's go ahead and find the machine. Oh goodness, it just went somewhere else. Okay. So let's go to device. No, new device connection. Okay, so I am connecting everything, you guys. 1 second, and it's literally loading. How have y'all been, y'all? I gotta redo this whole office, y'all. This office is crazy. It's so much in here, and it's just time to redo it. It's just time, y'all. Y'all, he had to bang something. What is that little boy doing? The whole house would be whooped just because of him. I don't know what he had to do, y'all, but he doing something he shouldn't be doing. Okay, so it is connecting, I believe. Let's see. So connection is not really hard or anything. Just regular device. Connect to the USB. And that's it. Hold up. Okay. I'm also gonna find me a file. I think I'm gonna do like a bluey outline for my kids, so that way they could do it. My kids love bluey, you guys. Like they love bluey. They are bluey fans. Okay, so while that's loading on up, we're gonna go ahead and get the canvas. Now, I don't have like a regular canvas. Now, you can go to the store, and as I see, you can get like a canvas from like Dollar Tree, the ones that got the, like, you know, the frame in there, and you can also do that. So it comes with a canvas, and I'm just going to test it out with the canvas it comes with. That's what I'm going to test it out with first. Y'all, I don't like when they put so much tape on here. All right. So, oh, hold up. Asking me a question. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab some scissors. I just feel like cutting it because I don't know where the tape is. Like, where is the tape just to open it? Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can grab some like scissors or just a little weeding pin or two and pull the tape off. I don't even think this is a lot of canvas. This is thick though, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of thick. I might just get some scissors because, okay, I found a piece at the end of the tape right here. Yay, we got that one off. Get this one. Probably grab some scissors and do it that way. All right, so we don't have the like canvas one that you're supposed to have that go, you know, the frame. What we're gonna do is cut it off, and you have this masking tape, and we're gonna use the masking tape to hold it down. Okay, there's two pieces. Okay, so you have two rows of canvas. Not bad. It probably starts here. We're not gonna do nothing big or anything. We're just gonna test it out and see how everything goes. So, got a piece of canvas. Let's see, I'm trying to see. Oh, close window. It's open in my last project, y'all. Exit. Okay, perfect. There we go. Because I'm about to say, y'all, like, it's open in the last project and it won't open. We're gonna go ahead and get a piece of masking tape, and we're using the masking tape to hold down the canvas. Yeah, when my kids wake up, I think they're gonna love this. Yesterday they had, oh God, I'm gonna use some blue painter's tape, child. I love blue painter's tape because this right here, make sure you're on a flat table. Make sure you are on a flat table, y'all. It's just, this don't feel like it's holding anything. Just saying. I don't know what it's holding, but it don't feel like it. Okay, let's go ahead and put that password in. And I am in the Loklik software, you guys. So if you're wondering like what software, I am in the Loklik software on the laptop. I don't know why. Okay, well. All right, let me put my password in. It's acting crazy right now. Hold up. Okay. I put the wrong password in. It ain't acting crazy. I'm doing it crazy, honey. Whew. All right, you guys. So I ended up turning the paper around because, not the paper, the canvas around. I don't think I need it to be that big. Now I believe we are good to go. I got my design off of Google. I just looked up bluey outline. I looked for something that had an outline, but as I see on here, you are able to actually get rid of the background and everything. I'm using the Loklik software, so I'm going to put line art because I want to just do the line. Select a pen. We have the, is this the micro pen? I actually don't know which pen is this. I'm I'm just gonna put regular pen, micro pen. Okay, we're gonna look back at the information so that way we could be correct. Search your pen and a canvas to start. Okay, and it literally tells you how to set up the machine and everything like that, so you are not clueless. So this is a gel pen. Heat erasable pens are the blue ones, and this is a gel pen, so I'm using a micro pen. Okay, review. Oh, it tells you, I love it, because it has a line around here. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. It says 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Did it pause? Okay, I paused it because my pen is not down like I thought it would be. So I really need to have the pen down. Okay. Restore. Okay. Too far down. Too far down. Pen was too far that time. Okay. Try that again. Wow. This is crazy. Y'all, this is crazy. Wow. Oh my gosh, my kids gonna love this when they get up, y'all. It's doing a precise lines. Like precise, you guys. Like, this is crazy. Now imagine when I have the canvas scan. Oh, it looks so good. Guys, look at this. Precise. The lines are precise. I could see Bluey already coming together. This is actually insane. Like, I just made a whole entire line drawing for my kids while they're asleep. While they're asleep. Just make sure you put enough tape so it can hold down. Okay, y'all. It is done. This is crazy. This is Bluey. It literally just drew a whole outline of Bluey. So now my kids could literally take some paint and paint this whole entire thing. And if you want, you are able to actually paint it. This came out amazing. This is crazy. This is a must if you have kids. You could actually do canvases of people, their outlines of their faces, and sell this to people, you guys. Don't sleep on this machine. This low key is actually kind of cool and fun.